Hi peeps, here's a tool the ancient Egyptians would have been proud of. I made this like to break concrete, if it's of any use. I basically put like a masonry chisel, a long masonry chisel, into a piece of electrical conduit, and I soldered, like, I drilled a hole and put a bolt, welded a bolt in the middle so it stops. So then just cut a couple of slots, one in each side, and drilled a hole through the bit. Put like a thick nail, about 4mm or something like that, through. It slides up and down, and then the other end you've got just a heavy lump of metal welded onto the end of the conduit. I just had this bit lying around. I don't know if you can find anything heavy, and then you just go ahead and break concrete with it. I don't know. And it seems to do the job, because I've got like one of the posts done already. Hope that helps. And you don't need any electricity. No power is required. No batteries to charge.